Too much glucose! So much glucose!
As you can see, energy drinks have a varying effect on different people, depending on their tolerance.
My stick! Get away from me! No!
When we were more rational, we were able to conduct a series of experiments on different Lucozade products.
No, we weren't.
We put Lucozade Sport, Lucozade Energy, and Lucozade Sport Light in a selectively permeable membrane called a visking tubing. We then soaked the visking tubing in a water bath for half an hour to test whether the drinks were hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic. Oh no. We did this by weighing the visking tubing with the 8 millimeters of those 3 energy drinks in them before and after the water bath. This allowed us to determine how much osmosis took place, and therefore determine whether it's hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic.
This is probably still in the shot.
Here are our results. Lucozade Energy weighed 8.71 grams before the water bath. After, it weighed 9.81. Before the water bath, Lucozade Sport weighed 10.48 grams. After, it weighed 11 grams. Good. Lucozade Sport Light weighed 9.88 grams before the water bath, and afterwards weighed 10.07 grams. So in Lucozade Energy, 1.1 grams of water moved by osmosis into the visking tubing. With Lucozade Sport, 0.52 grams of water moved by osmosis into the visking tubing. With Lucozade Sport Light, 0.19 grams of water moved into the visking tubing. This means that Lucozade Sport Light would have the least effect on the water in your cells. The osmotic effect of different energy drinks differs depending on whether the drink is isotonic, hypertonic, or hypotonic. An isotonic drink will leave the cells relatively similar to as they were before. A hypertonic drink will plasmalize the cell, as more osmosis has taken place with water moving away from the cells. Good.
Pen.
A hypotonic drink may cause a lot of the cells to explode, having had too much water move into them by osmosis. The pH of Lucozade Sport Light was 3, making it below the critical pH of 5, which destroys enamel on teeth, whereas Lucozade Energy was pH of 4, making it just slightly below the critical pH of 5, which destroys enamel. The glucose percentage of Lucozade Sport Light and Lucozade Energy was just 1%, whereas the glucose percentage of Lucozade Sport was 6%. Alright. Do these actually do anything?
I need a pee-pee.
Famous Scottish cyclist Graham Overy eats jam sandwiches instead of energy drinks. And so He spreads the jam onto the bread.
Oh, look,
Jam
Erik-
sandwich! There you go, Jonny.
Aye. Aye, I did that in record time.